हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम अलमीशा, अ डेंटल इंटर्न। आज की वीडियो थोड़ी डिफरेंट होने वाली है। इट्स नॉट गोना बी अ व्लॉग, इट इज गोना बी अ सिट डाउन वीडियो वेयर आई टॉक अबाउट माय फर्स्ट पीआर पैकेज एंड माय जर्नी एज अ स्मॉल क्रिएटर एंड हाउ आई लैंडेड अप विद पीआर पैकेजेस एट जस्ट 4,000 followers. So yeah, let's do it.
What a wonderful.
Brand that sent me my first ever PR package was Moody. They sent me their sunscreen and face mist, and along with this, they also sent me their waterlight gel, which I have used. So I don't have it. I started my journey on social media. I started it long time ago. I never took it very seriously. I used to, make my account public. I used to post 4 or 5 reels, and then I again used to make it private. So yeah, this was going on since last 2 years. But properly, when I started making content, dil se, it was January 2026. So basically, I am a dental intern. तो पहले मैं अपनी पढ़ाई में बहुत बिजी थी, अपने एग्जाम्स में बहुत बिजी थी. सो हमारे दिसंबर में जब फाइनल ईयर के एग्जाम्स हो गए, सब कुछ हो गया. सो आई थॉट कि या नाउ इट्स टाइम कि मैं एक कंटेंट क्रिएशन को एक चांस दूं, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग जो मैं बहुत टाइम से आई वांटेड टू डू. So I took it seriously in the month of January 2026, and तब I had around 2500 फॉलोअर्स. आई स्टार्टेड विद 2500, जिसमें से 1500 तो मेरे नोन लोग ही थे, एंड वो बाकी के 1000 थोड़ी थोड़ी जैसे रील्स पोस्ट करती थी, कभी पब्लिक करके, कभी प्राइवेट करके, कभी पब्लिक करके. तो उससे गेन हुए थे ओवर द टाइम ऑफ 2 years. सो 25 से 3500 की जर्नी वॉज ऑफ अबाउट 3 months, एंड देन 35 से 4000 मेरे बहुत जल्दी हो गए थे विद इन 1 month. सो जब मुझे मेरा फर्स्ट पीआर पैकेज मिला, उस टाइम पे आई हैड जस्ट 2800 followers. So how did I do that? You might question me that how, because आज के टाइम पे there are so many micro creators with 5K, 6K, 7K, 8K. They are running for the same brands. They are fighting and they are competitive for the same brands. So how did I land up my first PR package at 2,800 followers? See, I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. You have to pitch your and wait. Before I tell you anything, I also had no clue that we can approach a brand. Absolutely not. There was this friend of mine. She told me that we can approach brands ourselves. And how do we do that? How do we have the appropriate sources, appropriate links, appropriate contacts? How do we do that? That is a complete separate journey. You have to follow a lot of people, you have to follow a lot of collaboration forms, you have to do a lot of things for that. I'll talk about that later in the video, but let me first tell you how I landed up with my first PR package. So yeah, so I approached this brand, Moody. They had a collaboration form, which is like a Google form. We have to fill the form and we have to give our IG links and everything. And after that, I sent them a mail pitching my idea. Now I don't know if they acknowledged my mail or they randomly just picked me from the Google forms. I don't know, but I did everything in my possibility to make it happen. So yeah, they sent me my first ever PR package, and I'm so thankful to the brand Moody for giving me my first break. I might call it my first break. So yeah, they sent me my first PR package, and after that, I was very sure that I'm going to pitch more brands, I'm going to talk to more people. And yeah, now my content creation journey started. Now I'll, अब तो आग लगा देंगे. But no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने सेम रूट फॉलो किया, मेल्स करी, फॉर्म्स फिल करे, बट आई हैड नो रिप्लाई. सो आई वाज लाइक, मुझे तो लगा था कि अब तो भाई मेरा घर ही भर जाएगा, पीआर ही पीआर, अब तो कभी मेकअप खरीदने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, स्किन केयर ही स्किन केयर होगा. बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. बट गाइज, दिस इज वेयर मोस्ट पीपल लूज होप. जब एक पीआर पैकेज मिलने के बाद और नहीं मिलते और रिवर्ट बैक्स नहीं आते, सो वी थिंक कि यार अब तो बस एक तो किस्मत से मिल गया, अब तो हमें नहीं मिलेगा, अब तो खत्म है, नाउ देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड स्टॉप. बट वाई डू यू स्टॉप? एक मिला किस्मत से तो दूसरा भी मिलेगा, तीसरा भी मिलेगा. जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद योर जर्नी. सो ये फर्स्ट वाला तो इट वॉज प्योरली किस्मत. देन फॉर द सेकेंड पीआर पैकेज, विच आई हैव रिसीव्ड 3 months आफ्टर माई फर्स्ट पीआर पैकेज. तो मेरे फर्स्ट पीआर एंड सेकेंड पीआर के बीच में 3 months का गैप था. सो उन 3 months में भी मैंने बहुत कुछ किया. सो उस 3 months के टाइम में आई वेटेड, आई अप्रोच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स, आई फिल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन फॉर्म्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ, एक दो चीज़ें पेड में भी करी, लाइक एक दो कैंपेन्स करे जो स्मॉल क्रिएटर्स के लिए पेड कैंपेन्स होते हैं, वो सब करा. बट या, so now finally after 3 months, in the month of May, after the month of March, no not March, I got the Moody PR package in the month of Feb. Yeah, बहुत जल्दी मुझे मिल गया था. In the month of Feb I got it. Yeah, so and now in May, I've got my second PR package, which is from the brand Wishcare, and I haven't unboxed it yet. I'll unbox it with you guys. So first, let me talk again about how I got this. So again, I filled the right forms, I approached the right brands, and okay, so here are some. I'll insert here, okay? Over here, I'll insert some of the mails of very good and cutesy brands that you can approach. So you can mail them on their emails. You can fill the collaboration forms जो वो time to time निकालते हैं. And there are a lot of private companies and pages on Instagram. There are the collaboration pages. वो बहुत सारे हमें collaboration forms and references देते हैं, तो हम उनको follow कर सकते हैं. वो हमें they will guide us कि कैसे कैसे we can lead up to a collaboration. So yeah, so before we move further, let's unbox this package. Let's see what have they sent me. Well, I know what they sent me, but जब तक मैं अपनी आंखों से नहीं देखूंगी मुझे विश्वास नहीं होगा. I am very excited to open this. And yeah, guys, if I haven't told you already, then let me tell you, I have currently 4,200 followers on my Instagram. And yeah. So they've sent me their hair growth serum, which I love. And I've used this before, okay? It's not like I haven't used it. Yeah, they've sent me 2 hair growth serums, and oh my god, this is so cute. And they've sent me their Chotu Sa travel shampoo. Yeah, so yeah, this is my second ever PR package. So yeah, abhi tak I have also landed only 2 PR packages, and I've been doing content creation since like 4 months. So yeah, it's a slow process, and yeah, you need to have some patience. Just do not work ke mujhe bas PR package chahiye, mujhe ye chahiye, mujhe wo chahiye. Work on your content. These things are a part of the process. These things are not a final destination. So yeah, and I also did a lot of, like I said in the video, I also did a lot of paid campaigns. I don't think so I can take the name of the brands that we did campaigns for, because I think so they're closed campaigns. Yeah, but I did a lot of commercials. Are a little less for small creators, but I mean, I was happy that I was doing campaigns and I was part of various campaigns. So yeah, and if you guys do not know where to find the right forms, collaboration forms I'm talking about, and where to find the right mails, and where to approach the right people, I can help you and guide you with that. So for that, you need to follow me on Instagram and just DM me collab, and I'll send you all the collaboration forms, because I approximately get 15 to 20 collaboration forms per month. And it's not like that only I can be a part of that. There are 50 to 70 to 80 to 100 more creators with me, and you can also be a part of that, just like me, because after all, we all are fellow creators and we should support each other. So if you want the right sources and the right means to land up collaborations, you can anytime DM me on Instagram saying collab, and I'll send you all the collaboration forms. And yeah, so just do not lose hope and stay focused. You will get collabs very soon. Just work on your content and the collaborations will land up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Almisha Gakar, a dental intern / content creator. So if you like the video, then do like and leave your comments and subscribe for more of me.
What a wonderful